This is another song that my husband wrote. A little backstory on this is on our first Valentine's Day together, we were apart. Our first Valentine's Day as husband and wife. I was in Europe and he was on tour with his band, The Law of Gravity, doing provincial tours. So we were apart on our first Valentine's. I came home maybe a week after Valentine's Day, and I brought a pasalubong / Valentine's gift. Nice pair of leather boots that I bought on sale in Germany. I say sale because I am a very frugal person. Dati nga, ang favorite word ko, sale. Ngayon, clearance na eh. Mas mura kasi, clearance. Diba? So, after I gave him the pair of boots, I was kind of looking around the room and I noticed that wala akong gift. Alam ko, hindi ako humihingi ng flowers, hindi ako humihingi ng chocolates, pero some gift naman, di ba? Where's Valentine's? So he kind of noticed that. And then he went to the other room and came back. He had a CD. He gave me a CD. And then he said, listen to the song that's in the CD. That's your Valentine's gift. So I listened to it. And it's a song about promise of forever love, eternal love. Sabi ko, wow, naisahan ako. Ako boots lang. Sabi nga niya, does this mean you're giving me the boot? Parampam. But anyway, I listened to the song, as I said, and then I put it aside. And then he recorded it, and they released it. But you know, it was part of his album. Then after he passed away, I was rummaging through mga CDs, and I found the CD again, and I played it. Sabi ko, maybe I should sing this song. But now it's more of my promise to him of eternal love. And this is that song called Habang Panahon. He said, araw na lang ang aking itatagal dito sa mundo. Gagawin ko pa rin ang lahat ng nakasanayan ko. Kausapin ka sa umaga at mahalin sa buong gabi. Walang magbabago, walang isusuko. Kung maaari ko nang balikan ang aking nakaraan at ang lahat ng pagkakamali ay pwede ko nang mapalitan. Gagawin ko pa rin ang lahat, basta't ikaw ang laging katapat. Walang mababago, walang isusuko habang panahon. Habang nabubuhay pa, tanging ikaw mamahalin tuwina. Habang panahon, hanggang sumalangit na, ikaw lamang tanging nag-iisa sa puso ko. At pag lumipas na ang panahon, pagbilang ng ilang taon, at ang naiwan na lang sa atin ay alaala ng kahapon. Sasabihin sabihin nilang lahat, pag-ibig natin walang katapat, walang pinagbago. Ikaw